Hello friends, welcome back to Spicy's column. In this video, we are going to see about agroclimatic zones for horticultural crops. Friends, if you are a new viewer and a subscriber, please do visit Spicy Scholar's general horticulture video to get information related to horticulture, its advantages and branches of horticulture. Picturesque learning and imagination will last forever. So let's start learning this session by an imagination. All just imagine a country state outline map for learning agroclimatic zones of horticultural crops. A question may arise from all of your minds while seeing this particular slide. Is there any connection between states and horticultural crops? The answer is yes. Just for an example, in India, each state has some traditional languages to be followed. Likewise, each state has some peculiar climatic condition to grow specific horticultural crops. So now you all may get the answer why I told all of you to imagine India state outline map before getting into this topic. Our country can be broadly divided into 7 zones for horticultural crops. For easy remembering of agroclimatic zones for horticultural crops, now we are dividing India into southern and northern parts. Northern part comprises of temperate northern region, northwestern arid region, northeastern subtropical humid regions and north central subtropical region, whereas southern part comprises of south central tropical region, coastal tropical humid region and southern hilly zone. Friends, now we are entering into state and its horticultural crops in a particular agroclimatic zone. So now start imagine our country's outline map for remembering states and its horticultural crops. Important horticultural crops in temperate northern zones are temperate fruits and cool season vegetables. Friends, fill your mind with lovely pics of apple, pear, potato, kale, etc. State which comprises this zone are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, hilly areas of UP and West Bengal. Friends, now move to the western part of India. So now you are in the northwestern arid region. This region comprising of entire Rajasthan states and Gujarat and parts of Punjab and Haryana. Arid fruit crops like ber, pomegranate, amla, date palm, wood apple and seed spices like coriander, cumin, fennel occupies the major area in this region. Friends, we cover the western side of North India and now moving towards the eastern side of North India where northeastern subtropical humid region is present. This region comprising of states and union territories like Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Fruits like banana, pineapple, citrus, jack besides the plantation crops like tea and large cardamom are also grown here. Friends, now we are stepping into the last agroclimatic zones in the northern parts, that is north central subtropical region. This region includes the parts of UP, Bihar, entire Madhya Pradesh and parts of Maharashtra. Horticulture crops grown in this region are mango, sapota, sweet orange and guava. Friends, imagine that you are in the southern part of India, that too in the south central tropical region. This region includes the central area bordered by western and eastern Ghats in the states of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and parts of Maharashtra. Horticulture crops grown in this region are mango, guava, sapota, pineapple, turmeric, etc. Friends, now move your imagination to the coastal side of southern part of India where coastal tropical humid region is present. The entire coastal region stretching along the Bay of Bengal in the east and Arabian Sea in the west comprises of this region. Banana, mango, cashew, coconut are the major crops grown in this region. Last but not the least, we are entering into the southern hilly zone. This zone comprising of western Ghats and eastern Ghats hills above 800 meter mean sea level, where coffee, tea, cardamom, pepper, oranges, pineapple, etc. are extensively grown. Thank you friends for your kind attention. If you feel the video is worth, like the video and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos.